Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you how you can fix the Bluetooth user service error which you try to set to automatic and you get the parameter is incorrect error. So let's get started with the fix. To begin with, search for registry editor. Now keep on expanding this registry location until you reach the Bluetooth user service which will contain a alphanumeric character at the last. You can also verify this service by going to services, clicking over it and see the alphanumeric character at the last. Now selecting that service, click on the start key and make sure this value data is set to 2 and click on OK. Now close the registry editor. Now once you are in services, refresh the page once. Now right click over it, go to its properties and there you can see the startup type is already set to automatic. Now you can simply start the service from here and you won't get the error further. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.